How to fix slow download in Chrome mobile on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Chrome slow download in Chrome mobile on Android phone. First just open your Chrome and then click here and type Chrome, and then type this one here like that, and then flags. Just type this one here and then click enter. Now just here click search flags, click on it and then type here download, and here we'll find this one, enable it. Click on it and click enable and then click relaunch, and that's it, and your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.